हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं लवली टीच विद लीडर से एक नया टॉपिक लाई हूँ। एसवी आज्ञा का हिरोशिमा, उसका आपका क्रिटिकल अप्रिशिएशन। प्लीज़ आप देखिए। इंट्रोडक्शन। द पोएम हिरोशिमा इज़ अ मॉडर्न पोएम written by a renowned Hindi poet S.H. Agya. The real name of the poet is S.H. Vastyana. This poem is written on a very unfortunate incident of the bombing of Hiroshima by the Allied forces of USA during the Second World War on 6th August 1945. अब सेकेंड टॉपिक है इसकी स्किलफुली डिस्क्राइब्स पोएम। In this poem, the poet very skillfully describes what happened on that unfortunate day. He depicts how the beautiful city of Hiroshima, which was blooming with life, was turned into a graveyard. Within seconds, S.H. Vasyanan initiated the poem with a symbolic depiction of the sun as usual in that dreadful day. Instead of a sun's rise and sets। तीसरी टॉपिक है कंपेरिजन दी सन से जो कंपैरिजन किया जाएगा। द पोएट इज़ कंपेयरिंग द सन विद द बॉम्ब। पोएट कंपेयर करता है सन से। द सन दैट इज राइजिंग टीयरिंग द horizon is greeting people, and the poet uses this description to compare with the bomb that tore upon the earth and bite people with the darkness of death. The poet says। पोएट कहते हैं, इसके बाद आप ऊपर देखेंगे क्या कहते हैं। ऑन दिस डे द सन appeared not slowly over the horizon but right in the city square। से इसके बाद आप ये लिखेंगे। फिर नीचे पैराग्राफ चेंज करके द बॉम्ब that was thrown by the USA hit the center of the city and blast with the enormous clouds of smoke, making dreadful scenario in the city, as if the city laid on the lap of death. Through the entire poem, the poet is expressing that men themselves destroyed their self creation। अब नेक्स्ट पैरा देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट पैरा है ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन। द एडवेंट of technology and science will become the threat to human civilization due to its uses. It would hardly bring positive changes if humans use science for power, and soon it will erase the existence of the human being from the globe. According to poet, Hiroshima would always tell the narrative what the abuse of power resulted in. नेक्स्ट पैरा देखिए, द इमेज ऑफ सनलाइट एंड शेडो, द लास्ट स्टेंजा अगेंस्ट एक्सटेंट, द इमेज ऑफ सनलाइट एंड शेडो विद contrast and irony, the poet says. A sun conjured by man converted man to air to nothing. White shadows witness to himself. अब कंक्लूजन देखिए. According to poet, Hiroshima would always tell the narrative what the abuse of power resulted in. The poem was written when Agya was returning to India by the train. जब वो ट्रेन से वापस लौट रहे थे तब ये बात लिखी थी इन्होंने. ओके स्टूडेंट, अगर ये टॉपिक आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए. और अगर कुछ और भी टॉपिक चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए. ओके बाय.